Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So this is 17th of March. I want us to start off analysis. I'd like us to start off our analysis with the chart on our screen. We have the Brent oil. So on this chart, basically the price is bearish. We've seen price continue to give us lower low, lower highs. We had a higher high here. The price went down. It formed a lower high. It continued down. It formed a lower high, and we expect this to be a lower high. So as long as the price continues to move down, as long as the price continues to form lower highs, we do expect it to continue much lower. We are actually expecting a possible break below this point to push price even lower. So if you're on this chart as we're talking now, we are expect that the price may continue down and even break below this point here. We have a level here. This was a very good shape in the past. So if you are here when this was happening, you could have seen this as a breakout and taken a sell. Yes, your stop loss could have been fixed at the high of this candle here. So in case the price goes down and descends below this point, then this will be the best place to continue looking for a sell from. My next chart is the door. We have that this was a shape in the past, and then we had this. So technically, as we're talking right now, this could as well be the best place to look for a sell from. If the price gives us a sell signal from along this trend line, then this will be the best place to look for a sell from. So we will be expecting the sellers to push price downwards towards this lower trend line here. My other chart is the natural gas. So with this, it looks like the price is within a range. We have that. Then we have that. This is a very good range. The price has been there for some time, and this is from 7th of March. We've seen price continue to rally within these two lines. So in case the price ascends and closes above this below this lower line, that will be a sign that we're now continuing downwards. And in case the price breaks above this upper line, then that will be a sign that we're now continuing to the upper side. But when the price bounces off from any of these lines, then we will be looking for an opposite trade. That is, when the price bounces off to the lower side first from this point, we look for a sell. If it bounces off from this point, we look for a buy position. If it breaks below it, we continue downwards. The other chart is Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin so far, we have a very good level here. We have a very good level. We have a resistance. There is a break above, a break below, a break above. If the price pulls back down and touches this line, this should give us the best place to look for a buy from. So expect the buyers to pull back down towards this point so that we pick a buy position and the price reaches this level here. My other chart is Euro USD. There's nothing much happening here except for a shape which I think this is a very good expanding wedge formation. So these shapes, they are very, very significant. If you just pick one properly, you'll be able to get very good trades. So we have a very good resistance trend line. We have a very good supportive trend line. If the price goes up and touches this upper line, this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. If the price goes down and touches this lower line, then this should be the best place to look for a buy from. My other chart is the GBP USD. Here we have a very good resistance level here. These are some shapes which we are seeing on this chart. So I'm drawing this now not because they're useful as we're talking now, but because they were useful in the past, and in case any of them happens like that in the future, then you should be able to identify them quickly. So we have that. In case the price now continues to rally above this trend line, we will be expecting that the buyers will push price upwards towards this level here. If the price bounces off from this point, then this should be the best place to look for a sell from. My other chart is the US Japanese yen. So here we are looking for potential sell positions. We will be expecting that the price may likely descend and close below this point, this level here. If the price breaks above it, below this line, it attempted yesterday to go below it, but again it pulled back upwards. So today, if the price goes below this level 124.372, then that will be the best place to continue looking for a sell from. My other chart, this is gold. So far we are upwards. We have a very good resistance there. We have a resistance. If the price goes up and breaks above this line, then we want to see a retracement back towards the same level to look for a buy position. So expect that the price may break above it, retrace back, then continue to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you. So we'll meet again on Monday at the same time.